Let's learn about important concept in IR spectroscopy, that is molecular vibrations in IR spectroscopy. There are two types of vibrations, that is stretching vibrations and bending vibration. Stretching vibrations. In stretching vibrations, bond length is altered. There are two types of stretching vibration: symmetrical stretching and asymmetrical stretching. In symmetrical stretching, two bonds increase or decrease in the length, as shown in figure. Two arrows shown, that arrows reflects increase or decrease in the length. And in example of ethylene, change in the length of bond will be observed at carbon and hydrogen or carbon and carbon atom. This overall phenomenon can be learned through this 3D diagram where two bonds increase or decrease in the length. So this is stretching vibration, that to specifically symmetrical stretching. Now let's learn about asymmetrical stretching. Asymmetrical stretching, in which one bond length is increased and another one is decreased at the same time. So in figure we can see one arrow is approaching toward the center and another one is leaving from the center. So through this 3D diagram we can see that one bond length is increased and another one is decreased. Now let's learn about bending vibrations. These are also called as deformations. In this, bond angle is altered. These are of two types. One is in-plane bending and another one is out-plane bending. In in-plane bending, scissoring and rocking, and out-plane bending, wagging and twisting vibration will be observed. Let's learn one by one. In scissoring, this is an in-plane bending. In this, bond angles are decreased. Two atoms approach each other and atoms moves back forth. So in image we can see two bonds are approaching each other and at the same time they are moving back forth. In 3D diagram we can observe that, and this is called as a scissoring. In rocking vibration, in this, movement of atom takes place in same direction. So in image we can find the movement of atom is shown by arrow and which is takes place in the same direction, and it can be better understood by this 3D diagram where movement of atoms takes place in same direction, and that is called as a rocking vibrations. In wagging vibration, it is an out of plane bending vibration. In these, two atoms moves to one side of the plane and they move up and down to the plane. That's why in the image it is shown by positive signs. That means they are moving up and down at the same time, and which can be better understood by this 3D diagram. Two atoms move to one side of the plane and down side of the plane simultaneously. In contrast, in twisting, we can see one atom moves above the plane and the other atom moves below the plane. So in this image we can see positive sign and negative sign. That means through 3D diagram we can understand that one atom moves above the plane and the other atom moves below the plane. So this is all about the different vibrations in IR spectroscopy. Now, number of vibrational modes. A molecule can vibrate in many ways, and each way is called a vibrational mode. If a molecule contains n atoms, total number of vibration modes will be, for linear molecule it will be 3n minus 5, and for non-linear molecule it will be 3n minus 6. So this is all about vibrations in IR spectroscopy. Thank you very much.